As a mom to 3 kids, the most important thing to me was spending time with my family. Back in January of 2023, guys, I was disappointed in myself. I was working 7 days a week pretty much all year round, and I was done with that. I was done with the disappointment, and I was done with the mom guilt. Imagine this summer we'll be able to actually truly spend more time with your family and going out and doing the things that you love. This proven process and this Legacy Builder program has done exactly that for me. It's allowed me to spend more time with my family, making memories, and still having the income to do the things we love without having to check my bank account every single time I leave the house. You guys, this is a proven process for 2 hours a day. So it does not take a lot of time. You can do it in the nooks and crannies of your day like I do completely around my 3 kids. We do live hands-on interactive mentorship on a weekly basis, so you're never alone on your journey, my friend, and you know exactly what to do. So if you're ready to be part of a thriving community where you can learn to make daily pay, with a fully automated, rejection-free business, that way you can truly spend more time with your family this summer and doing the things that you love, just let me know, because I'd absolutely love to share this opportunity with you. Just drop one in the comments. I can give you the details.